Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Israellplayz, and today in this video we are going to be reacting to Skibidi Trash Can 29 Part 1 and Part 2. So, it's been a while. I stopped watching it because, it's been a while, but it's back 5 months ago, but Part 2, I believe. I don't remember, but let's watch Part 1 first. Oh. That's what's been happening. Yeah, they're getting my advance quickly. More trash cans are coming. Oh, snap, he lost his gun. Then one of them comes up behind. He's cooked. What's that? Oh. Oh, and this gun can really hurt me and be damaged in. Yeah, you can kill them too. Oh. So okay, remember. So they are getting upgrades now. Yep, a taste of his own medicine. I believe that was the energy he had from the guy. Oh, what's it's not working. Oh, damn. Seriously? Or is that kind of getting injured a bit? Oh, snap. I think that was a mistake. He didn't want that him doing it. Yeah, toilets just any type of toilet to the trash cans too.
Take it back.
Yeah, he's telling him to take it back. That's probably the biggest mistake. Well, time to see Part 2. It came out 2 days ago. Out of the Titans. It says, let's full screen and click the like Yep. Yep. This is what part 1 basically ended. Yep. Well,
Really? Then take it back.
the fight begins. Oh, they're trying to take it back. Right, it's gonna go back to the front. Oh no. He's using too much energy. Oh snap. That's not good. He survived, but did he? Yeah, he did. Oh no. This isn't good. Oh damn. He's not gonna be able to win. Oh damn. This is the fight of the Titans. Oh, well, that's not good. He's losing.
I have studied your kind. I know everything about you. You know nothing.
What just happened? Oh, his energy's red now. He's losing. He's losing. Oh no. It's over. Oh no. Oh, maybe the OJ Giants. They could possibly defeat trash cans. Well, we have to cut to that human time. But the microwave can still pull this off. As long as you can't beat it all. You know he's gonna make it over for him. It's caused damage. Oh, he's receiving upgrades. What? Oh. course, it's leaving the battlefield. Harder to take more stuff to examine more. So it looks like it's the. Is there some more? Yeah, well, no. Looks like he's gonna probably look deep in. He's probably gonna look deep into the color technology better, so so the trash cans can defeat. That'd be fun, probably. Yeah. It's looking this way. It's going that direction. Well, that's gonna be the end of the video. So remember to subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, comment what I should do next. Remember to join the Discord. Links in the description below. And remember to go check out so much too. Links in the description below as well. And all of that said, Israellplayz signing off. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.